Assalamu alaikum. How is it life chatting you everyone? So right now we have come another place. As you can see, actually it's a better place. We are used to coming in this place every time, every single day. For this reason, just we are just obbling in this site right now. So as you can see right now, I got my also friend. Previous time I uploaded one video with him, and he really highly interested to learn English. For this reason, again I have come with him, and he told me that, Sunny, you can make video with me and you can teach me so that I can speak like you. For this reason I have come again. So first of all, before going main part, I just request you can prefer him and as well as me, because of in our village there are a bunch of guy are they are just know how to say English. So right now, and that's why we are just actually we wanna just make group big. For this reason, I'm really interested to teach him, not to teach him. If he will just give me a company, I think absolutely you will get his fluency as well as he will able to speak in English. Okay, so Maman, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm over the moon. So right now you have come, right?
Yes.
So right now you want to learn English, right? Okay, so we are traveling in this place. So and right now sun is right now the sun has been down. Okay, so Maman, I think you want to learn English. So first of all, you have to practice in this way, like subject. How many subjects are available in our included our book or any kinds of thing? Do you know? কতগুলো subject আছে? Like me, you, right?
Me,
I,
you,
you, we, you, they. This type of we call this subject. Like whatever we are see in this place, in our behind the left side, right? No problem. All of thing is subject. Like you are subject. Like you. So first of all, you have to use subject, and afterwards you have to use subject verb or auxiliary verb, any kinds of thing. Like if I say you, আমি যাই, what will be?
আমি যাই।
আমি যাই,
আমি যাই।
I go,
I go.
আমি যাই। আমি বলি
I বলা হয়েছে ইংলিশে বলা
Say.
হয়েছে I say. I'm বলি।
So if I tell you that আমি কথা বলি, no, আমি ইংলিশে বলি,
আমি ইংলিশে বলি। I say English.
simple.
I say
Okay, আমি হাঁটি,
I say going.
আমি হাঁটি,
আমি
হাঁটা means do you know?
Walking.
Work,
I
walk,
say
walk,
work.
WLK, walk means হাঁটা. তো আমি হাঁটি,
I say
I walk,
I walk.
আমি
আমি হাঁটি।
হাঁটি,
Oh.
আমি রাস্তা দিয়ে হাঁটি,
I walk.
I walk by road.
I walk by road.
Okay, আমি রাস্তার সাইড দিয়ে হাঁটছি,
I walk.
I'm walking. It's
I am
a
walking.
present continuous, like কোনো কিছু করছি, খাচ্ছি, in this moment, like I'm making video. So
Make video.
just present continuous, you have to know that present continuous we have to use ing, verb plus ing. Like আমরা হাঁটছি, that's mean কি হবে? আমরা means আমরা subject we and হাঁটা means
walk.
ing.
I
So
walk.
what it will be?
It will be say
আমরা
আমরা হাঁটছি English.
yeah,
Right.
you can translate in English. We are
Actually,
we are
we are going.
walking means হাঁটা. We are walking, আমরা হাঁটছি. So in this way you have to make sentences for this for your betterment. And in this way, if you are just going on, I think you gradually learn English as far as possible, right? Okay, so that's all about. Assalamu alaikum.
Send